Okay, let's look at the odd problems for 3.4. Number 1, should have got a negative 32. You substitute 4 for x, so you got 4 squared times y, which is a negative 2. 4 times 4 is 16, times a negative 2 is a negative 32. Number 3, substitution. I have x plus y, so I have 4 plus a negative 2 on top. Divide by a negative 1. So my answer is a negative 2. Number 5, I have x over y plus z over h. I plug in my numbers. I know I have to have a common denominator. Of course, this turns out to be a negative 3, and this turns out to be a negative 2. So it's a negative 2 minus 3 equals a negative 5. Number 7, plug in my numbers. I got 4 cubed minus 3 cubed. That equals 64 minus 27, which equals 37. Number 9, negative 1 squared plus negative 2 squared minus 4 cubed. I get 1 plus 4 minus 64 equals a negative 59. Number 11, 2 times 3 squared times a negative 2 equals 2 times 9 times a negative 2. And again, negative 36. Number 13, it says they're plugging in variables this time. So they're plugging in a for x. So it's going to be a times a squared times a. And we know this is the same as saying a to the 1 power. And we add the powers together, so it becomes a to the 4th power. Number 15, the absolute value of 12 minus 13, that equals 1. Divide by 12 minus 13. So I got 1 over a negative 1. Final answer, negative 1. 17's got a lot of fractions involved in it. The answer to 17 is 3/16. The answer to 19 is a negative 31/80. And 21 is 17/12, which can be reduced down to 1 5/12. Now these are going to be a little more difficult because they're dealing with fractions. So you might want to take a look at those. Let's look at 17 for a second. My formula would be 1/2 minus 1/4 times 1/2 plus 1/4. And you have to have common denominators to solve and to work those out. Number 19, it would have been 3 times 1/2 squared times a negative 1 over 4 minus 1/5. Okay, so there's a lot of work there. You got to take your time, double check your work, and I hope that helps with the odd problems. And if you did well, move on to the even. If you didn't do so well, you might want to rework them again. Throw your notes away and previous problems and try to work them again. The idea is to understand the concept and not to be rushing through it. Thank you.